How to add link to TikTok bio. 2 methods. First, go ahead and open your TikTok app. Once you're in, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now look at the top right, tap those 3 lines. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account, then choose Switch to Business Account. TikTok's going to walk you through a few screens here, so just tap Next, 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 and Next again. After that, you'll need to choose a category that fits your content, then tap Next. You can add your email address here if you want, or just skip it. It's up to you. Now tap on Visit Business Suite. Scroll down and tap Business Registration. Just go through the steps to register your business. It's pretty straightforward. Once you're done, go back to your TikTok profile. Tap Edit Profile, then go to Links and tap on Website. And that's it. You can now add your link. Now, quick tip. If you can't switch to a business account, there's another way. You just need to reach at least 1,000 followers first. Once you hit that, go back to Edit Profile, tap Links, and you'll see the option to add your website there.